MP Pastora.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we are proceeding to other matters because the topic in number 4 in our agenda is this discussion of calendar of activities. And we have some other matters that will input into the calendar of activities. I am suggesting, Mr. Chair, that since tomorrow we have a hearing with the Committee on Local Government, that this committee will also calendar a joint meeting with the Committee on Local Government on the election preparations, particularly on security matters. Because as you know, by next month, we will already have the filing of the district candidates in the first week. So basically, that will now start the official election period for the conduct of the elections. And your committee that you had, Committee on Public Order and Safety, together with the Committee on Local Government, are the ones tasked to have oversight over the security preparations, public order and security with regard to the conduct of election. So I am opening the floor for the discussion and the concurrence of our members with regard to my proposal for a joint hearing, committee hearing with the Committee on Local Government on election updates.
Thank you very much, Deputy Speaker. Yeah, so